Good evening, Moksha.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, beta. What about you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Abhinav? Abhinav,
Good evening, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
good evening. Abhinav, in that question, see, you were asking about the in which x square minus 3x something in denominator numerator both quadratic equation are given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In
Wait,
which we
ma'am.
are
Let me open
defining
the question.
Yes, beta?
Let me open the question, ma'am. Wait.
Okay. So in that question, nothing is given equal to. So how we can find the value now if nothing will be given? So that's why we have taken it as let y is equal to this equation. Then we have formed a quadratic
Okay,
equation in
ma'am.
the form of y. Okay.
Ma'am, but I didn't get y minus 1 and plus 1.
You will get it when you will factorize it.
So we need to
Okay.
factorize it.
Yes. After cross multiplying, you will take x square common. Then x terms common. Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Wait, ma'am.
Pralya.
No. And also another question.
Yes. In that question, see, I guess it was question number 13 only you were asking, na?
13, I got it's clarified, ma'am. Question number 15, I didn't get
15. Which one 15?
the
Just
explanation. If roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are imaginary, then for all
okay.
values of a,
When the roots will be imaginary, just tell me. When your
when
discriminant
the
should be less
values
than equal to 0.
when it's negative, the values are
Yes,
negative.
it will be negative now. Less
Yes,
than
ma'am.
0. So now it will be follow for this also. A square x square plus abx plus ac also.
So they all are negative.
Yes.
So they're just basically asking about the signs of A, B, and C.
Yes. So a square is given there, then it should be. See, if a square is equal to a will be 0, then it will be linear. So it can't be 0 now. So D option is removed now.
Yes, ma'am.
So non-negative and positive both are the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
B option is also removed. Now check for negative only. Okay. Just put value of A as minus A. Okay, beta? You can solve this equation from the by taking options.
Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Right?
But
Yeah. Okay.
but in this question, I got wrong because it said it's positive and non-negative.
Okay.
I
Okay, beta.
got confused and
Good evening,
Okay.
ma'am.
and also the 16th one, ma'am. Can you send that answer?
Okay, I will send you after the class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay, beta. Good evening, Rizwana. How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Good evening, Siddhishri. How are you, beta? Good evening, Samok.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good, beta. Thank you so much. Okay, children, I think we have to start. Fine. So yesterday we have started our NCERT questions. Have you done, children? I have given in homework few questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'll send you after the class, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, what will we do now then?
All questions you have done.
No, ma'am, I've done till 6.
Okay, okay.
But in school, I've done all of them, ma'am.
Okay, okay, beta. Yes. Yes, children, 4, 5, 6, 7, all have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, speak up if you have done or if you have not done. In both the cases.
Still doing now.
Still doing. So when you will complete it?
In 5th question, ma'am.
Okay, till 5th question you have done. What about question number 6?
Not done. After the class, I'll do it.
Aryan, Huria, Sumok, Rizwana, Dharya, have you done the homework?
Doing.
Abhinav,
Do, ma'am.
why children? See children, question number 6 is very, very, very important. This question is very, very important. Just mark it. Question number 6 is, if 1, 2, 4, y, x, comma 6, 3, comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, then find the value of x and y. So this is a parallelogram, okay? And taken in order. So this is A, B, C and D. So A point is 1, comma 2. B is 4, comma y. C point is your x, comma 6. And D point is 3, comma 5. Okay. So children, we know that diagonals of parallelogram intersect each other or not? Intersect or bisect? Yes, children, speak. Yes, they bisect each other.
Bisect.
Yes, so it means the midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD, right, beta? Coordinate
Yes,
of
ma'am.
A is 1, comma 2 and C is x, comma 6. So we will find midpoint of AC first. It will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x1 is this, y1 is this, x2 is this, y2 is this. So 1 plus x divided by 2, comma 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Understood this thing, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Speak
ma'am.
up. Now in the same way, we will find midpoint of BD. So P coordinate is 4, y and D coordinate is 3, y. Okay. So midpoint will be 4 plus 3 divided by 4 divided 2 and y plus 5 divided by 2. Fine, beta. So now they are bisect each other. It means the both are having midpoint same. So midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of AC. Now put them equal to each other. 1 plus x divided by 2, comma 8 divided by 2 is equal to 7 divided by 2 and y plus 5 divided by 2. Now children, between these two coordinates, we are having equal to sign. Fine. So we will equate it. So 1 plus x divided by 2 will be equal to 7 by 2 and 8 by 2 will be equal to y plus 5 by 2. So 2 to cancel in the both cases. Then 1 plus x is equal to 7 and value of x will be 6. And in the same way, 8 is equal to y plus 5. Then value of y will be 8 minus 5 is equal to. Understood, children, this question?
Yes, ma'am.
This question is very,
Yes,
very,
ma'am.
very important. Please
Yeah.
note it down it. And in this question, you need to draw the figure. Dharya, Rizwana, Sumo.
Yes,
Understood,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Rizwana, understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Sumok,
Aman, can you scroll even more?
scroll up or down?
Up, ma'am. A little bit up. I just want to see.
Aryan, Puria, Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
Pranya,
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavna. Bhavna has joined right on.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Namaste, ma'am.
Yes, beta Bhavna.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, we are doing question number 6. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, beta, in this question, we have given the coordinates, the vertices of parallelogram. Okay? And
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have to find the value of x and y. Okay? So, we know that the property of parallelogram is that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay? So, it means the midpoint of both the diagonals AC and BD will be equal. Okay? So, therefore, we will find the midpoint of AC as well as of BD. Then we will equate them each other and we will find the value of xn. Okay, Bhavna?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So note it down it. If you are facing any difficulty, then you can ask.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes, beta?
Can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done.
All have written, children? Kindly show me your thumbs up. Hurry up. Bhavna,
Yes, ma'am.
Mana, written, beta. Siddharth.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Children, have you remembered this question number 7? This type of question we already did. See, find the coordinates of A. AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is. So let's draw a circle first. This is your circle. And in the circle, you have given AB is the diameter. So what is your diameter, beta? Our largest chord which passes through the center, that is called the diameter, right, beta?
Yes.
So AB is the diameter of circle whose center is this point 2,
2,
minus
minus
3
3.
and B point is given 1, 4.
4.
Yes. So, beta, if you will observe that this OA and OB are the radius of the circle. So, as AB is the diameter of the circle. So, therefore, OA is equal to OB. Half of diameter will be the radius, na beta? OA is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to OB will be the radii of the circle, right?
Yes.
So, it means this O is the midpoint of AB or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And we need to find the coordinates of A. So, let coordinates of A are x, y.
Mm.
Fine, beta.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
midpoint of AB will be equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So, x1 will be x, y1 will be equal to y, and x2 will be equal to this one, and y2 will be equal to 4. Clear this thing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is your A point and this is your B point. Fine. So, now find the coordinates. So, midpoint of AB is equal to x1 plus x2. So, x plus 1 divided by 2 and y plus 4 divided by 2. And this coordinate is already given, that O point. What it is given? 2, minus 3. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So, now what will be our next step? Speak up.
2 is equals to x plus 1 divided by 2.
Yes, now we will comparing the coordinates. So you will write on comparing coordinates. So x plus 1 by 2 will be equal to 2 and y plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus. Now cross multiply, beta. Then it will be x plus 1 is equal to 4 and value of x will be 3. And in the same way, y plus 4 is equal to minus 6 and value of y will be minus. Understood, beta? So coordinates of point A are 3, minus 10. All have understood, children? Pranya, Rizwana, Sumuk, Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bhavna,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, Dharya,
Yes,
Siddharth,
ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Aryan, Abhinav,
Got it, ma'am.
Bhavna. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Down or up?
Ma'am, down.
Once can you scroll up, ma'am, I'll just copy it down. You're doing the 7th question, right?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down once?
Okay, beta. Children, if you all have written, kindly show me a thumbs up.
Ma'am, once can you scroll down?
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, now next question is, see, question number 8. If A and B are these points, okay? Find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. So any idea, children, what we can do in this question?
Ma'am, we can use midpoint for all of those, ma'am.
Okay. So coordinates of A are -2, -2. B point is this, beta. And B coordinate is 2, minus. Now you have given this that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB, right? So cross multiply 7 times AB is equal to 3 AB. Or AP by AB, you can write 3 by 7, right, beta? So it means
Ma'am,
that, yes, beta.
ma'am, I was giving the answer for the 9th question, I guess, ma'am.
In the chat box.
No, ma'am, to you just now. I don't think P is the midpoint, is it?
Okay, okay. So in this question, we will not apply this midterm. See here, so whole AB is given 7, right? And AP is given how much? 3. Then what about PB? It will be 4 now? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
AP plus PB, right? AB is 7, AP is 3, and PB will be 4. Correct? So value of M will be 3. Value of N will be 4. Now you need to find coordinates of P. And x1 is -2. Y1 is also -2. And x2 is 2. And y2 is -4. Now apply the section formula, children. And tell me the answer. Hurry up. What is the section formula? Siddharth?
This one. M into M into x2 plus n into x1 by 2.
mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Kindly solve it. Solve it.
Ma'am, is the answer 2 divided by -20 by 7?
Ma'am, is the answer -2 by 7 and -20 by 7.
Answer is?
-2 by 7 and -20 by 7.
Okay. Okay, Pranya. It's okay, Siddharth.
Ma'am, is the answer minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7?
All have got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
See, value of m is 3. X2 is 2. N is 4 and x1 is minus 2 divided by 7. M is 3. Y2 is minus 4.
Minus
Plus
4.
N is 4. Y1 is minus 2.
2.
Divided by 7. Now 3 2 ja 6. 4 2 ja is 8. Divided by 7. And then 3 4 ja 12. 4 2 ja 8. Divided by 7. So your answer will be minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. All have got the same answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see next question, children. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Any idea, beta? Moksha? Moksha?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Any
Ma'am,
idea? What we have to
ma'am,
do? Yes, beta.
ma'am, one
midpoints
doubt.
of E maybe.
No, there is no need to midpoint. See, they were saying that they are divided into 4 equal parts. So divide into 4 equal part 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So
Fiction
mark
formula.
them 1, 1, 1, 1. Time beta? And
Yes,
let
ma'am.
us
Ma'am,
mark
how,
these point as, yes beta?
ma'am, how would we get the values of M and N?
Yes. So first of all, for calculating point A, for A point, value of M will be, speak children.
1.
Let us mark it P. PQR. Value of M is 1 and value of N will be, see,
3.
3. And for Q point beta, this middle one,
Ma'am,
value
why
of
are,
M will be 2 and value of N will be 2. Because their sum should be 4. Because you are dividing into 4 equal parts. Now for R, the value of M will
M will be 3
3.
and N will be 1.
Yes. Calculate it, children.
Mom,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we can also do this, right, ma'am? First, we'll find Q, like, because it's 1:1 ratio, 2 and 2, so 1:1 ratio. And then we can use the midpoint theorem for P and R, because we
Yes.
have.
After calculating Q point, then you can apply midpoint theorem between A and Q and then Q and B. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for P,
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, I got
ma'am, for P, the values are minus 1 and 7/2.
Okay.
ma'am, I also got the same.
You will apply the section formula. Kindly check your answers, children.
Ma'am, for R, I got 1, 13/2.
Okay.
Ma'am,
1
for
into
Q,
2 plus
ma'am,
n is 3 into x1 minus 2 upon 4.
ma'am, for Q, I got 0 and 5.
Okay, beta. Y2 is 2, n is 3, and y1 is, oh sorry, this is 3 into y1 is 2 divided by 4. So 2 minus 6 upon 4, comma, 8 plus 6 divided by 4. So minus 4 by 4 and 14 by 4. So all have got the same answer, minus 1, comma 7/2. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Find Q.
Ma'am,
Yes,
for
children, done?
Ma'am, for R, I got 1 and 13/2.
Okay. And what about others, beta? Yes, children? Puria, what happened? Okay, now value of Q will be mx2. So value of m is 2, x2 is 2 plus 2 into x1 is minus 2 upon 2 plus 2, comma, m by 2. M is 2, y2 is 8 plus 2 into y1 is 2 upon 2 plus 2. So 2 2 ja 4 minus 4 by 4 comma 16 plus 4 divided by 4. So it will be 0, comma 20 by 4. So 0, comma 5. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now for R, again
Three.
apply the formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma m by 2 plus n by 1 upon m plus n. So here a value of m is 3. x2 is 2. N is 1 into minus 2. Upon again 4. And then 3 into y2 is 8. Plus 1 into y1 is 2. Again 4. Now 3 2s are 6 minus 2 by 4. Comma 3 8s are 24 plus 2 by 4. So 4 by 4 1 beta and 26 by 4 it will be 13 by 2. All have got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhanshu, Rizwana, Bhavna, Dhairya, Aryan.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, what happened to you, beta?
Nothing.
Nowadays, you are not responding.
Nothing, ma'am.
All have done with this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next
You will
is
share
find
this
the...
material, right?
Yes, beta?
You will share this material, right?
Yes. Now, in 10th question, find the area of the rhombus. Find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are this. So rhombus is given only in which opposite sides are parallel and equal, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
What is rhombus? Am I audible? What is rhombus?
Ma'am, it's a parallelogram, but with all
All
sides
sides
are
are
equal.
equal.
Now we have to find area. Yes, all sides are equal. So now we need to find area of the rhombus and hint is also given. That is product of its diagonals. So you will find the length of the diagonals. How you will find? By distance formula? Tell me, children, by distance formula only we will calculate. Am I audible?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yes,
Apply
ma'am.
distance
Distance
formula,
formula.
children. Between AC and BD. What is your distance formula? Speak.
X square minus 1 whole square plus y square minus y whole square.
Yes. X1 minus X2 whole square. Yes, very good. Y1 minus Y2 whole square. So now find BD and AC. Okay, beta? And then find the area of rhombus. is equal to half into BD into AC. So I guess you can solve this question, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, all have understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow we will do more questions from PYQs of this chapter, because this exercise chapter contain only 2 exercises. Okay.
Yes.
Now we will meet tomorrow, beta. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye bye, beta. Puriya. Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha, what happened to you, beta?
Ma'am, on maths test I got least marks because of time duration, ma'am. They gave only 1 hour 30 minutes, ma'am. Time is insufficient to
How
write
many
the
questions
exam.
were there? How many questions were there, beta?
9 MCQs and 4 very short questions and 3 short questions and 2 5 marks questions and case based questions, ma'am.
Okay, and how much time they have given?
1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay, and 40 marks test was there.
Yes, ma'am.
So it means you have to work on your time management.
Paper was easy, ma'am, but time is insufficient.
Yes, yeah, that's why I'm saying that you need to work on your time management, right? So what
Yes,
you need
ma'am.
to do, you will set the timer in your mobile phone, okay? Or if you are having alarm clock, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So daily you need to solve 5 questions within 15 minutes. Understood? 5
Yes, ma'am.
questions within 15 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Today
by this
onwards I'll
practice,
start
your
working on
speed
it.
will be increased. Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Moksha, if it will be possible, kindly share your answer sheets so that I can see
Okay, ma'am.
what you are
Tomorrow I
doing.
will ask my sir, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.